Right, this is a really sort of tricky question because it's got a lot of information on it. So River Kennels charge £9 per day for each dog. Cost is reduced for £8.50 if they take food. There's a 10% discount off the total bill if there's 2 or more dogs. Just to highlight as well, that's for each dog, so £9 a day each dog. She books 2 dogs in, and it's for 16 days, and she takes food. How much does she pay altogether? So there's 2 dogs, and they take the food, so the food is there, and it's for 16 days. So we now sort of start breaking that down. Cost is reduced to £6.50, sorry, £8.50 if they take food for the dogs. So we know there's food there, so it's going to be £8.50 per dog. So let's double that up. That gives us £17. And then that's the charge per day. So per day it's £17. Now it's over 16 days. So 17 times 16. So the best route on that is to go, well, 10 17s are 170, and then we've got 6 17s left. Well, 5 17s, if you half that, is 85, and then we've got a 17 on top. So if we add 170, 85 and 17 together, that gives us 12, carry the 1, that's 10, 17, so that's £272. And at that point then we're saying we've got a 10% discount to take off. So 10% is £27.20 divided by 10. So we've got £272, take off £27.20. Well, 272 take off 20 quid first is £252. Then let's take off the £5, which is £245. And then we take off the 20p, which is £244 and 80 pence. Then we've got Ruth's 2 dogs each eat 3/5 of a tin of dog food each day. So they each eat that. What's the least number of tins she needs for 16 days? So if 2 dogs eat 3/5, then we can say each dog, each 3/5. Then per day we've got 6/5 of a tin being eaten. If I divide, that means divide by 5. 5s into 6 go 1, remainder 1/5. So that's per day. Now we're saying over 16 days. So if we times this then by 16, then 1 times 16 is 16 tins, and then 16/5 is, as it says, 16/5. So I now just look at my 16/5. That means divide again. 5s into 16 go 3, remainder 1, and we're in 5th world. So I've now got 16 cans plus my 3 cans, so I've got 19 cans and a 5th. So how many cans do I then need? I need 20 cans. Dogs are taken for a 3-kilometre walk. What's this in meters? Kilo, meaning 1,000. So that's 3,000 meters. Write the reciprocal of 5. Reciprocal is basically the definition of if you times that by the reciprocal of it, it will give you 1. It's 1 over 5. 1 over if it's a whole number, and then the number itself. Product of prime factors is your tree. So 450 half gives you 225. We've then got here 225. Well, that'll go by 5, and that makes a bit of working out. It's going to be 45. These are prime numbers, so we circle them. Divides by 5 again. 5 times 9, and then 9 splits into 3 and 3. So I've got 1 2. I've then got 2 3s, and I've got 2 5s. And if you times that out, you will then get your 750 again.